Welcome to another quality product review on our channel. If you're tired of spending hours chopping and prepping veggies, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper 4 blades might just be your new favorite kitchen tool. This all-in-one gadget has taken TikTok by storm, simplifying meal prep with its efficient, user-friendly design. Stick around to learn why this chopper is a must-have for every kitchen. And don't forget to click the link in the description to grab yours from Amazon. Also, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more amazing reviews, unmatched features, and performance. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper 4 blades is a game-changer for busy cooks. With its razor-sharp 420 stainless steel blades, you can effortlessly dice potatoes, chop onions, or slice cucumbers with professional precision. Its BPA-free, durable build ensures safe and long-lasting use. The soft grip handle and non-slip rubberized base provide stability and comfort, even during extended use. Convenience redefined. No more messy counters. The integrated catch tray keeps everything organized, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, top rack, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this chopper is versatile enough to handle any recipe. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper 4 blades. Click the link in the description to buy it now from Amazon. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this product.